So today we have to talk about Pudgy penguins here. As we can see, we are at 0.0088, and I've been talking about this level for the longest time. We're literally down 4.3% in the last 24 hours, and we're also down in the last 7 days, 18%, 22% in the last 2 weeks, 14% in the last month, and 69% in the last year. So that's pretty crazy. We're going to talk about where I think this is going next. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. No time wasted. So what I think we're going to be doing here is bottoming out. Like I've been saying, 0.008 on the dot, not just 0.088, but 0.008 on the dot. And if you look at my videos from like 3-4 months ago, you will see when I talk about Pudgy penguins, or like 3 months, something like that. 3 months, we can say that. But you can see when I'm talking about Pudgy penguins, I say, first, we must hit 0.0088. I talk about 0.0088 because it's a significant area before 0.008, because you see it was used as a support for multiple times on the way down. So even on the way back up, we used 0.0088 as support. So that's why I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is the perfect area for support before the big support, right? So I think when we hit 0.008, we should have a bounce. Doesn't mean it will. No, it might not. But I think we will for quite a few reasons. One, well, if you look at the percent arm trend exhaustion, it's already oversold and bottomed out once down here. And now the long-term trend, which is the blue line, is coming back down, as well as the short-term trend. So we have a second chance once this goes down for it to come back up. So there's a possibility that it could do that. And that's pretty much what I'm watching out for. So, I mean, this happens time and time again. This really happens time and time again. If you come all the way back here and look around November, you can see we have the same thing. The short-term trend broke out. The long-term trend kind of did, but pulled right back down. It's like a temporary thing. And we're kind of seeing the same thing now. Every single time you see the blue line, the long-term trend not going up, and the short-term trend just breaking out, going crazy, you know the short-term trend is coming right back down to that long-term trend because it has to follow it. And when you look at what happened during that time, that was pretty telling. And this is why I always talk about the percent arm trend exhaustion. It's very, very good. And as you can see here, comes all the way up here, hits 0.012, boom, all the way down here to the support at 0.009. So this is a very good way to tell like when you're about to pull back, and it's happening again. So I'm expecting that pullback to go down to 0.008, and there's a possibility, guys, that it could pull back even further down to 0.0067. And remember, from the jump, I've been saying 0.005 is my buy target for Pudgy penguins. 0.005. I believe in 2026 it might go lower than that. I'm just saying, 2026, the bear market, it is what it is. But you know, what are we gonna do? Anyways, the daily chart here shows kind of confirms what I'm saying here. We got a little bit more to pull back here because look at the white line, which is the short-term trend, broke past the long-term trend, which is the blue line. Blue line stayed oversold. Short-term trend comes back down. It's almost all the way down, and when it does, it's going to bottom out, and then it's going to go up again. So that's why I do believe we might stop at 0.008. And if it doesn't stop there, then we're looking at 0.0067 and then a recovery from there. But one of these two areas we should get a recovery from. And look, obviously it's going to be a short-term recovery. This isn't going to be like a bunch of money flowing in and then the new bull market starts. No, it's not going to be like that. So, you know, just get ready, stay prepared. Remember, 2026 is probably going to be bearish the whole year. Don't expect to make any money in crypto for 2026. I mean, even right now, like the only thing you can do, watch these different levels, dollar cost averaging at certain areas. Like let's say you get in at 0.008 and then it goes up to 0.012, you know, get in here, sell here, let it dump, repeat, rinse and repeat, literally rinse and repeat. So, you know, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Maybe it goes a little bit below 0.008 down to 0.006. So, or 0.0067. So remember that one right there. It could go there pretty soon. So that's what I'm watching out for here for Pudgy penguins. But yeah, everything is looking bad, but it's doing exactly what I thought it would. It's doing exactly what I thought it would. So anyways, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Go ahead and become a member of the channel. Only $9.99 per month, and you can have me do a technical analysis on any project as long as it's not a low cap scam coin. But shout out to you guys. As always, I'll be back with another video.